Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with unit 10, haloalkanes and haloarenes. In my last video, I have explained you about the introduction of electron withdrawing group like nitro group at ortho and para position so as to increase the reactivity of haloarenes. Today I am explaining the mechanism of introduction of electron withdrawing group. The presence of nitro group, electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position facilitates the attack of nucleophiles on haloarene. See here, this is haloarene, chlorobenzene. Nitro group is introduced at para position. This is the nucleophile. When it attacks on the haloarenes, the carbanion is formed as a result, which is stabilized by resonance. We will get the 4 resonating structure. Out of 4 resonating structure, one of the resonating structure carries a negative charge on that carbon atom which bearing nitro group. So out of 4 I have shown you only one of the resonating structure, and this carbanion is stabilized by this electron withdrawing nitro group and pi electron of the benzene ring. Similarly, when nitro group is introduced at ortho position, this is the nitro group, this is nucleophile. When it attacks, the carbanion is formed which is stabilized by resonance, and we will get 4 resonating structure. Out of 4 resonating structure, one resonating structure carries a negative charge on that carbon atom which carries nitro group, and this negative charge or carbanion is stabilized by this nitro group and pi electron of the benzene. So this is the effect of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position. Electron withdrawing group do not show its effect on meta position. Why? Because in meta position, when nitro group is present on the meta position NO2, so no resonating structure carries a negative charge in which nitro group is introduced. Hence, it do not show its effect on meta position. Now we will move to our next topic. Topic is electrophilic substitution reaction. Haloarenes generally undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. Halogen atom present in haloarene is slightly deactivating in nature but ortho and para directing. Therefore, electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at ortho and para position with respect to halogens. Electrophilic substitution reaction generally occurs slowly and under drastic condition as compared to those of benzene. Due to the presence of halogen atom, which is more electronegative and electron withdrawing in nature, so it deactivates the ring. But although it is electron withdrawing in nature, it is ortho and para directing. Why? Because the lone pair of electron present here is stabilized by resonance. So this due to inductive effect minus I effect, it deactivates the ring, and due to presence of lone pair and it shows resonance effect, and due to resonance effect, out of 4 resonating structure, 3 resonating structure consist of electron density more at ortho and para position. Hence it is ortho and para directing. So there are 2 effects are working here, minus I effect and resonance effect. So this resonance effect is electron due to resonance effect there is negative charge at ortho and para position. So first we will see the first electrophilic substitution reaction, that is halogenation. This is chlorobenzene when reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3. We will get the mixture of 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. This is ortho, this is the minor product, and this is the major product. Nitration, when chlorobenzene reacts heated with a nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture means concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. We will get 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. This is the minor product and this is the major product. Now our next electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation reaction. When chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, we will get 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Here this is the major product and this is the minor product. We will get the mixture. Next is Friedel-Crafts reaction. There are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. When chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, on heating it will produce 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. Here it is the major product and this is the minor product. Now we will see the Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this reaction, chlorobenzene reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We will get the mixture of 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone, where 4-chloroacetophenone is the major product and this is the minor product. So this is the last electrophilic substitution reaction. We have seen two chemical reactions of haloarenes. First one is nucleophilic substitution, another one is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now the third chemical reaction of haloarene is reaction of haloarenes with metals. First one is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. When bromobenzene reacts with sodium and ethyl solution of ethyl bromide, it will produce ethyl benzene. This is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. This is the reaction of bromobenzene with sodium metal. Now next is Fittig reaction. In Fittig reaction, this is chlorobenzene. Two molecules of chlorobenzene when reacts with sodium, it will produce diphenyl in the presence of dry ether. Now our next topic is polyhalogen compounds. Carbon containing more than one halogen atoms are usually known as polyhalogen compounds. Some of the polyhalogen compounds given in your syllabus is dichloromethane, trichloromethane commonly known as chloroform, triiodomethane commonly known as iodoform, tetrachloromethane commonly known as carbon tetrachloride, and freons. What are freons? Chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane are called freons, and DDT. So these are the polyhalogen compounds given in your syllabus. Only you have to learn uses of this, and only uses are given in your book. So learn uses from your book. And now homework. Whatever the questions are remaining in exercise, you have to do in your fair copy.